Let's begin with a common misconception. Many people think budgeting is about restricting yourself. They imagine giving up everything they enjoy, counting every penny, and living a life of constant sacrifice. But budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about control. A budget is simply a plan for your money. Without a budget, your money tends to disappear without a clear purpose. You may wonder where it all went at the end of the month. A budget gives every dollar a job. It helps you understand where your money is going, identify unnecessary expenses, prioritize your goals, reduce financial stress, and build wealth over time. Think of your budget as a GPS for your finances. If you don't know where you're going, it's easy to get lost. But with a clear plan, every financial decision becomes easier. And here's the most important thing. Budgeting isn't about perfection. It's about awareness. The moment you become aware of your spending habits, you gain the power to change them. Before creating a budget, you need to understand your current financial situation. This starts with tracking two things: your income and your expenses. First, calculate your total monthly income. Include salary, freelance income, side hustles, business income, and any other reliable sources of cash flow. Next, list every expense. And I mean every expense. Many people underestimate how much they spend because they only focus on major bills. But small purchases add up quickly. Separate expenses into two categories. Fixed expenses. These stay relatively the same each month. Examples include rent or mortgage, insurance, loan payments, subscription services, variable expenses. These fluctuate monthly. Examples include groceries, entertainment, dining out, transportation, shopping. Spend at least 30 days tracking every dollar. Use a spreadsheet, notebook, or budgeting app. You may be surprised by what you discover. That daily coffee, those food delivery orders, the subscriptions you forgot about. Awareness creates opportunity, and opportunity creates change. Now that you know where your money is going, it's time to decide where you want it to go. This is where financial goals become important. Many people say, I want to save money, but that's not a goal. That's a wish. A goal needs clarity. Instead of saying, I want to save more, say, I want to save $5,000 for an emergency fund within 12 months. Notice the difference? It's specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Create goals in three categories. Short-term goals, 0 to 12 months. Examples: emergency fund, vacation, holiday expenses. Medium-term goals, 1 to 5 years. Examples: car purchase, house deposit, business startup. Long-term goals, 5+ years. Examples: retirement, financial independence, children's education. Clear goals give your budget a purpose. When you know why you're saving, it's easier to stay motivated. One of the simplest budgeting methods is called the 50/30/20 rule. Here's how it works. 50% for needs. These are essential expenses, things you must pay to live and work. Examples: housing, utilities, transportation, insurance. Groceries, 30% for wants. These improve your lifestyle, but aren't essential. Examples: entertainment, dining out, streaming services, hobbies, travel. 20% for savings and debt repayment. This category helps build your future. Examples: emergency fund, investments, retirement contributions, extra debt payments. Let's say you earn $3,000 per month. Your budget could look like this. Needs, $1,500. Wants, $900. Savings and debt repayment, $600. The beauty of this system is its simplicity. It provides structure without becoming overwhelming. And remember, you can adjust the percentages to fit your situation. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is progress. Now let's talk about saving. Because budgeting alone isn't enough. You need a system that consistently moves money toward your future goals. The most effective strategy is called pay yourself first. Here's how it works. The moment income arrives, a portion automatically goes into savings. Not after bills, not after spending, but for everything else. Why? because whatever remains is what you naturally learn to live on. Automation makes this even easier. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. Remove the need for willpower. Create separate savings accounts for different goals. Emergency fund, travel fund, home fund, investment account. This gives every savings goal a clear purpose. And don't underestimate the power of small amounts. Saving $5 a day may not sound impressive, but over a year, that's more than $1,800. Consistency beats intensity. Every single time. If there's one financial goal everyone should prioritize, it's an emergency fund. Life happens. Cars break down. Medical bills appear. Unexpected expenses arrive when you least expect them. Without savings, many people rely on credit cards and loans. That creates debt. Debt creates stress. And stress makes financial progress harder. Your emergency fund acts as a financial safety net. A good target is 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. If that sounds overwhelming, start smaller. Aim for your first $500, then $1,000. Then keep building. The important thing isn't where you start. It's that you start. Before we wrap up, let's talk about common mistakes that sabotage budgeting and saving efforts. Mistake number 1, not tracking spending. If you don't know where your money goes, you can't control it. Mistake number 2, setting unrealistic budgets. Extreme budgets often fail because they're impossible to maintain. Make your budget realistic. Mistake number 3, ignoring small expenses. Small purchases can quietly drain hundreds of dollars each month. Mistake number 4, not reviewing your budget. Your financial situation changes. Your budget should evolve too. Review it regularly. Mistake number 5, waiting to save. Many people save what's left over. Successful savers save first. Remember that. Mastering budgeting and saving isn't about becoming rich overnight. It's about creating financial habits that compound over time. Track your income and expenses. Set clear goals. Use a budgeting system that works for you. Pay yourself first. Build your emergency fund. And stay consistent. Because financial freedom isn't achieved through one big decision. It's achieved through thousands of small, smart decisions repeated over time. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button and subscribe for more personal finance and wealth building content. And in the comments below, tell me, what's your biggest financial goal right now? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.